I bought the dip. What's going on, investors? My name is Dio. Welcome to Frontline Investment, where I talk about Bionano Genomics on a daily basis because I am crazy about this company. So congratulations to those of you guys that watch my video from beginning to the end, because I believe you guys didn't panic. I have about 300 of you guys that watch my video on a daily basis from beginning to the end. Even if you don't receive any notification from YouTube, from the YouTube algorithm, you still come to my channel to check on a daily basis if I have posted a new video or not. You guys are like 300. Shout out to you guys. So I hope you guys didn't panic sell when the market opened today around $5.60 and you guys of course bought the dip, or at least held on to your positions, which means you are up today about 6.48% on your investment in Bionano Genomics. Congratulations. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a breaking news that just happened. Okay, we have a new price target. Okay, we have a price target from 5-star analyst. We are going to be diving into that in this video. But before we continue, Bngo closed today at $6.24, up about 38 cents, and I'm up 6.48% today. The market cap closed at $1.74 billion. We still have about $260 million before we get to my $2 billion mark, and believe me, we are going to get there. Okay, the volume today was more or less better than we have seen yesterday and 2 days ago. 15 million shares exchanging, and yesterday I think it was about less than 5 million. So today was a good day. Guys, if you enjoy my content on a daily basis, please subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed, and please join the channel. It costs about 99 cents to help me come here every day, even when I'm tired. Right now it's 12 a.m. in the middle of the night, but I am here making video for you guys. Join the channel, help me support your boy, and it's going to help me to create more better content for you guys. It's not easy to make video. 8-minute video sometimes takes at least 3 hours, to put the content together, editing, and so on and so forth. So thanks guys, I appreciate all of you. So of course, the reason why I created this channel is to bring you guys breaking news that you cannot find anywhere else. So the news I'm bringing you guys is not even available on eToro. It's not even available on TipRanks. Okay, because you guys can see right here, Jeffrey Cohen from Landenberg Thalmann and Co. You can see that according to this eToro, the last time he reiterated his price target of $12 on Bngo with a buy rating, of course, is on the 14th of May 2021. So now he has reiterated his buy rating on the stock of this company, and of course the price target remains the same, $12. But you cannot find it right here. That's why you guys have me. Okay, and I got you. Now the analyst price target, consensus price target remains the same, $11.50. We still have about 84.29% before we get to that level. As you guys can see, the stock closed today at $6.24. So in my opinion, we are still going to be hearing from other analysts as time goes on. I am expecting at least Songjim Nam to come up again with I think maybe the same price target, maybe the same rating, buy rating, or so on. But I need to hear from these guys. They need to come out, after the earnings call. They have to tell us what they think about the company and try to tell us, if they are going to increase or decrease their price target or leave it the same. Let's go into the documents. So a big shout out to Slovnate2 on stock tweet, and shout out to Messenger of Moist. This is the document from Jeffrey S. Cohen from Landenberg Thalmann and Co. This is his note. Of course, I already spoke. Everything I spoke about in my most recent video talking about the earnings call, that is what more or less you guys are going to find in this document. Nothing else. Okay, nothing else. And you guys can see the price target right here, $12 price target, and they were talking about the 52-week range and so on and so forth. And of course, Bionano Genomics growing body of data and clinical evidence support continual top line growth. Buy. So that's more or less all you need to hear about this note. And of course, they share their the price target, the OPEX, Bngo highlight, and so on and so forth. Now let me show you guys another thing that is super interesting. So from one of my most recent video, I told you guys also that anytime Bionano Genomics come out with earning result, according to what I have been tracking so far, look at this. Bionano Genomics to report fourth quarter year-end 2020 financial results. The stock went up 16.09%. Okay, and then when Bionano Genomics made a new announcement, look at this. During the first quarter earnings, the stock went up 22.40%. So after the earnings, normally the stock went down like 7%. Then the following day, it went up 22.45%. Okay, so during this most recent earning, the second quarter of this year's earning, you guys can see we went up after they announced the date of the earning and the earning call. We went up 7%, and then today we opened with a cap down, and then we later closed 6.48%. I mean, I don't know if I can see the future, because nobody can see the future, but somehow I was right. Okay, like I told you guys in that video that if Bngo opened with a cap down, I was going to add to my position, and of course I bought the dip. So it turns out that investors love what happened yesterday. Okay, during my most recent video, talking about the Q2 earnings, you can see it on my channel. I spoke about it that in my opinion, the reason why Bngo went down was because of this. They missed the estimate. They reported 0.06 instead of, the estimate was 0.05, but they reported 0.06 according to T-Pranks, according to Zacks equity research. Of course it was 0.07. I don't know why they write 0.06. So that's why the stock went down yesterday after earnings and pre-market today. But analysts, they went into the stock, into the documents, into everything, then they realized everything is okay with the company, just like I told you guys in my most recent video. So the this quarter report represents an earnings surprise of minus 20%. That's why the stock went down yesterday initially, but later Bionano Genomics share have added about 92.2% since the beginning of this year versus the S&P 500's gain of 17.8%. So later analysts went into the earnings report, and they realized that everything is going fine for Bionano Genomics. I mean, look at this. According to Zacks, Bngo surpasses the Zacks consensus estimate by 16.85%. So that's why the stock closed green today. Okay, and you guys can see that. Now this is the most important part of this document. The current consensus EPS estimate is minus 0.05 on $4 million in revenues for the coming quarter, okay, and minus 0.19 on $15.6 million in revenue for the current fiscal year. So for this fourth quarter, or for this third quarter, I think they are expecting Bngo to report the same thing, minus 0.05 on $4 million revenue. So if we are able in the second quarter, we reported about $3.9 million. So it means we have just $100,000 to meet up with the third quarter estimate. So hopefully we are going to meet that or beat it even. Then for the entire year, they are expecting Bngo to report minus 0.19 on $15.6 million in total revenue. Okay, so far we have in the first quarter we reported 3.4 million, then in the second quarter we reported 3.9 million. So we still have about I mean, I think everything is going to be fine with Bngo according to all these analyst estimates. So before we continue, let me quickly remind you guys, one of my, channel members, Jamal Thomas, he made this comment. He said, why is it that nobody's liking this video? I made a video yesterday and most of you guys didn't watch it, okay? I think YouTube didn't give you the notification. It's got about 384 views. I mean, nothing I can do. It is not easy to make a video, guys. Even if this is 8 minutes, this video took me some research to put together. Okay, it took me hours to put together, but unfortunately you guys didn't find it useful, or YouTube didn't find it. So please go to my channel and check it out. This video is about what is about to happen. If you are invested in a company, you want to learn more about what is going on about the company. Okay, that's why at the end of the day, a day like today, you will not panic sell and close in loss. Instead, you would add to your position or hold, because you have enough information. Now let's dive into the technical analysis, the price action of this video. This is something I've been watching for weeks now, and I think I've shared it with you guys several times. Okay, because guys, technical analysis is what I've been doing since 2016 on a daily basis. At least 10 hours every day I sit in front of computer watching nothing but candlesticks, price action. So I know what I'm talking about. When I was talking to you guys, a few days ago, I mean, the couple of videos that I have made most recently, I always tell you guys to keep an open mind that in my opinion the price can go down, and this is my support right here. So this is what happened, and I told you guys yesterday that even if the price was going to go down, it's gonna be a very fast one. That's what happened today. We went down, but unfortunately we didn't go, or should I say fortunately, we didn't really go down. So we bounced back immediately. Can you imagine a lot of investors panic, they sold all their position because they were thinking the price was going to go down. But as you guys can see on my Bngo band, we bounced right on top of the band. You guys can see right here, we bounced. Okay, that's all I have to share with you guys in this video. If you enjoy my content, if you watch my video from beginning to the end, let me know in the comment section. I need to know those of you guys that are super loyal to this channel. Okay, I mean, thank you guys. I appreciate all you guys. I remain your boy Dio. This is Frontline Investments. Have a wonderful day, guys. Ciao, ciao.